Surveillance pricing is creepy and expensive. Here's how to better protect your data starting today. This is part 3 of surveillance pricing. All right, so how can you fight back? So the biggest thing is using a VPN and a trusted VPN that's not going to turn around and sell your data that it's collecting because it's a free service. The VPN that I would recommend is Proton VPN. So using a VPN, it's going to stop apps and sites from collecting your information about your location and linking your browser history and your prior like shopping carts or prior price checks to your IP address. Okay, so kind of going off of what I just said, you're going to want to keep cookies cleared. The sites often increase prices if they detect that you search for the same thing before. So if it goes back and it looks at those cookies and sees that you've checked that price several times, it knows your intent is probably going up to purchase that, so it can raise the price. So you want to use incognito mode or constantly clear your cookies. And to take it even a step further, one of the best things you would want to do is use a privacy browser and anti-tracking tools. I would recommend the Privacy Badger extension that's made by the EFF.org. And then there's also uBlock Origin. Both of these are going to block trackers and ads and other things that are going to try to identify you inside your browser. And then you also can use Firefox, Brave, and DuckDuckGo. Those are all good options to keep your data privacy spillage to a minimum. And another thing specific to this particular topic is compare prices and compare them using different devices and maybe even having your friends do it in different browsers, things like that. So you can check to see if there's a variation in prices based on what device you're using, where you're at, your location, those kinds of things, with the VPN on, with the VPN off. And then a really good option, if you spend the money, is to get your data deleted from data brokers by services such as Delete Me or Incogni. These will do this for you. You can also do this for free by yourself. You just go to the website of the specific data broker. You can find a list online and then you submit an opt-out request. Surveillance pricing is only going to get more aggressive. The best time to protect yourself was yesterday, and the second best time is now. So follow me here, the Cyber Reports, for cybersecurity and privacy tips for everyday people.